Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a new ScrapDiva Designs haul video for you guys, and I am so excited for these dies. It is like a graduation, wedding, and school theme going on here, and I really like it. I do need to make some graduation albums. I just normally don't get a chance to, but I was literally thinking that for next month, I want to make some graduation albums. So this is going to be absolutely perfect. So I want to go over what is in the new release. There are 18 new dies in this new release. And if you guys want to, you guys could get the bundle. That is your best deal. And of course, just shop through my link down below in the description box. The bundle, you cannot use the coupon code, but if you are getting individual items, then you can use the coupon code. It's just that the bundle is already discounted at a really awesome price. So that's your best deal. But yeah, other than that, if you're getting individual dies, use the coupon code Carolina for 10% off your order. So let's get started, and I'm going to share with you guys what's in this new release. And let me know if you guys want a video of me like putting some of this stuff together. There's a lot of word dies in this release as well. So if you guys, I feel like that, especially for graduation, it's going to be such a great way to use up black scraps from my stash. And so I'm really excited. Even all this graduation theme stuff, black backgrounds, you guys, I am so excited. Like most of the grad paper that you find is like black, white, and like a tan or a gold. So this is going to go perfect with that kind of theme. So this right here, we've got a graduation caps here. It looks like you could probably turn it into a shaker. Yeah, graduation cap shaker. So you could turn this into a shaker, and that's going to be so cute. Even on the cover of an album, you could use it standalone. You could, I don't know if you're making some like crafty things as like a gift for graduation, but you could make one of these and like make a cute little like bag topper for whatever you're making, and add this to there. But it would just look really cute on the cover of an album or the inside as well if you don't make it a shaker. Or you could use it as closures in an album. That would be cute too. So yeah, lots of ideas there. Then she also has this, which looks like a graduation owl, grad owl mini album. Oh my goodness. So it's literally an owl wearing a graduation cap. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. And I apologize if you guys hear outside noise. Babe is washing the car, or the cars. He already did one, now he's washing the other one. So I apologize if you guys hear some outside noise. And by the way, the release is scheduled to go up on June 5th. That's when all of these products are going to go live on the ScrapDiva Designs website. I forgot to mention that. So it's not going to be June 1st this time. It's going to be June 5th. So you guys can get your hands on it June 5th. Mark your calendars. I will remind you guys as well. I'll have a video go up that day probably to remind you guys, maybe some crafting video or something to remind you guys that the new release is live, but also just mark your calendars. You guys want to get first dibs. But this is so fun. I didn't even notice the owl part. I just thought it was like a graduation mini album. I was wondering what those little eyes were for, but now I see like the imprint of the owl. So that is super duper fun. Then we have graduation words. This is going to be so great to use up some of my black scraps. So they're just called graduation words. I see the word senior, congratulations. I have no clue. Grad dib. That looks like dib. There's something in here, some kind of like sentiment, because then I don't know what that is, but there's an exclamation point like attached to it. Yeah, we're gonna have to cut these out and figure out what's in these. I wanted to say this is study, but that can't be study. Oh, maybe it is. Maybe it's upside down. No, that's not study. SPUA. I don't know. BD. That's not right. I have no clue, so we'll have to figure that out, what the words are. And I like to write, once I cut them out and know what the words are, I like to write it at the top here just so when I'm looking for a specific word for whatever projects I'm making, I could easily see what words are in here rather than trying to figure this out again. Then we have some swap partner words. So if you guys are doing some swaps, I think this one is as well. Yeah, swap partner words and swap partner words too. So if you guys are doing a swap, maybe you want to label your packaging just like cute little thing. So this says like flowers. If you wanted to label your little like bag topper and just label flowers. This one says bows, ribbon, happy mail, swap, I guess partner maybe, and sweet treat. So that's really cute. And you could even use the sweet treat for just like Valentine's Day. It doesn't have to be for like a swap. So that's fun. And happy mail, you could use that for anything. I might include that onto the next piece of mail that I send to my nephew actually. And then this one says embellishments, bling, open, I'm guessing me, snail mail, hostess, and like if you're doing like a hostess gift. And then I'm not sure what that one says, but then, ooh, this one is so fun. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Swans. Swans make the cutest little embellishments. And this is a swan shaker set. So you could turn these into shakers or just, you know, do like a regular embellishment. You could add these into wedding albums. You could just add it into other like floral themed albums as well. But swans are just so cute. These are going to make great embellishments. I actually used to make a ton of swans, like a ton of embellishment swans back in the day. When I did Happy Mail, I used to make them and like give them in Happy Mail and stuff. But then I also used to use them in, I think, a wedding album actually. Let's see, what's this? This looks like a box, a 3D fairy tale gift box. I can't wait to see what this looks like. You do get 2 sets of dies in here. So there's another set in here. I have no idea what this looks like, but fairy tale sounds cute to me. Then we have a shabby chic corset. So this is a little corset die. You have like little layering pieces. So you have this, you could put this on there. Layer these, you could do in different colors. So that's a nice option there to do that in a different color. And you get some ribbon, not ribbon, but little bows in here. Those make cute embellishments themselves. Even if you wanted to like use up your like paper scraps and cut out some bows so that you have them. That's a cute idea for little like scraps of paper that you could use. Then we have this. This is a 3-piece suit tag. Oh, you can make little suits. I mean, I don't know. I mean, it says it's a tag. But maybe you could like not make it a tag, and maybe if you're doing like a wedding album, you could do like a little wedding dress and like a little suit. I don't know, but I don't know. I have to like open it and like figure that out. But that's a 3-piece suit tag. This would also be great to make Father's Day cards with, and especially since Father's Day is coming right up, you guys can make some cards with that for Father's Day. Oh, we got a wedding dress too. See? You could do the 3-piece suit tag with the wedding dress. Yes, wedding dress. Oh, it's a shaker. Oh, that's even more fun. There are 2 sets of dies in here. So there's another set behind this, which I guess would be like the layering shaker part. But you don't even have to make it a shaker if you want. If you guys aren't good at shakers, or if you just don't like making shakers, you could just do like a regular wedding dress, and that would look really cute on an album or something as well. Or maybe you're doing like a bridal shower album. You could do a little wedding dress. That would be really cute. Or engagement party, whatever kind of album or card even. You could add that to a card. That's small enough to go on a card as well. So that would be really, really cute. Yeah, so there's that one. Or even like, I don't know, it would just be cute like when somebody says yes to the dress, like she said yes to the dress kind of card. I don't know, do people make cards for that? I just want to make cards for all the things. Okay, this one looks like a doily, a shabby chic doily. And there are 2 sets of dies in here as well. I kind of want to see what's in here, what this other set is. Like I see the doily. Oh wow, you guys get 3 sizes of doilies. This is your largest size, and then you get 2 smaller doilies in this set as well, which I'll share with you guys in detail in a video when I die cut these out or when I use them. I will share that with you guys, but you get 3 sizes. I guess that makes sense with these circles, because then you could do like a layering piece of pattern paper in the center. So yeah, you get 3 doily dies with this, the Shabby Chic doily. Then this, oh, a belly band duo. So you have like a belly band, and then you have like layering pieces that you could add on top. And this would actually be great for mini albums and things like that too, because even if this is not the length of your mini album, you could just cut part of this off, and then you still have this other part, and you just add like your layering pieces. Actually, there's, I think, this in the center here around it, so you know exactly where to layer it in the center. So that is the belly band duo. Then this, like a triangle album or banner maybe. Oh, a family crest banner. So that's like the family crest shape right here. I think it goes this way. I think, yeah, because yeah, I think it goes like that. And then that kind of looks like a trophy or something. And then this, I'm assuming this you cut into the banner for your holes. So you could do that. Or I guess if you wanted to add it on top, you could probably add it on top too and glue it on top. Not sure, but there's that. Then there's this die set. Oh, we got little like, what are these, pliers or like beading tools and stuff. That looks like an eyelet setter, a glue, a little, oh, this is like a die cutting machine, a glue gun, I'm guessing washi tape or something here. And so this is the, oh, Crafty Gnome add-on. So if you have the Gnome die set, this is an add-on for that. How cute is that? That's, oh, then there's 2 die sets in here as well. There's a lot of dies in here. So that's the Crafty Gnome add-on. Oh, we got some bows. Oh my gosh, I love that there's so many different sizes. Okay, this bow right here. I just want to make a ton of this one right here. This would also be great to use up your scraps, you guys. So I'm guessing this one goes with this, I think. And maybe even this if you want to do like a background layer. So these 3 go together, and I guess this little piece here, unless there's another little piece here somewhere. But the minis, oh my gosh, everything mini is so cute. And that's when you get a bunch of different sizes. So if you're making a larger project, a smaller project, you could add these on to bag toppers. You could just add them onto cards. I have done both. I have done bag toppers back in the day and added bows. I have done cards and added like a bow. I remember making like a fall card. I think I added it onto a coffee cup card actually. So it adds a little bit of dimension, because these pieces you kind of like roll a little bit, but they turn out super duper cute, you guys. So I'm excited to make some of these. And also great use of your scraps, especially if you're using the little one. These little pieces, that's going to be such a great use of your scrappies. And you can actually make a bow with whatever paper you're using to make a project with. So there's that one. That's the lace border bow. And then we have this die set. This is School Words 3. So I'm guessing this is 2. Yep, and 1. Yep, so School Words 1, 2, and 3. I have no idea what these words say. This one's harder to read. Oh my goodness. Something the best. So I don't know. And then this one says, oh, 1st grade. Oh, I think this says you're the best. Anyway, so 1st grade. I'm wondering if there's like 2nd grade, 3rd grade, whatever. I'm not sure. I know this one says, I don't know, HID something. This says elementary here. This is great. Oh, 9th here, I think. I think that says 9th. No, maybe not. I would have to cut these out to figure out what these say. But that would be really good for school projects if you're trying to document. I don't think there would be all the grades in here. It doesn't look like there would be enough to do all the grades, like from 1st grade. Oh, I think that first one is, no. I was going to say kindergarten, but I wonder if there's a kindergarten in here somewhere. I'm not sure. I guess I would just have to cut them out and find out. Let me know. Let me know actually what you guys want me to craft with first. What does this say? Yeah, I don't know. Best up here? No. Rest? No. I think it is best. I don't even know. They're so hard to read backwards, you guys. This is why when I die cut them out, I literally write what's in each one of these just so I know. But yeah, so lots of fun dies here. School themed. I guess we got a little bit of crafty themed. Some bows. Family. That could be anytime. Doilies are a great staple to have in your stash. Doilies are absolutely adorable. I'm excited for the wedding in the suit. This fairy tale gift box. I want to see what that looks like. I can't wait to make some swans. And I definitely want to play with all of these graduation ones because, yeah, I need to make some graduation albums. That's going to be super duper fun. So let me know what you guys would like to see first, if anything. And let me know what you guys are going to pick up as well. So don't forget to use the code Karolina for 10% off your order when you guys are purchasing, and just use the link down below so that it could be like backtracked back to me, that you guys clicked through my link, and I can make a little bit of a commission that way. But yeah, I am excited. These are going to be so fun. So let me know what you guys would like to see first. I know I still owe you guys the Retro Van mini album. That is coming. Either the Retro Van mini album is already posted or it's coming. As of right now, I didn't finish it yet, but it's coming. But as of posting this video, it may have already been posted. Anyway, so that is coming. I've just been super duper busy. Lots of crafty stuff going on here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this project share video. I hope you guys are excited for all of these fun new dies. I'm just excited for all of the themes specifically. I mean, I love the dies. I love my word dies especially because I love cutting these out and the shadow layers. And like I said, this is going to be so great to use up my black scraps. Like, I am beyond excited to cut these out. These are going to be so great for my black scraps. Like, I'm legit so excited for that. Okay, so that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.